How to get verified on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, in order to get verified, you have to get verified on any other account, or let's say if you are verified on your Instagram account, then you can get verified on your TikTok by automatic means. Now, if you want to get verified, if these steps are already done, then you have to click on these dots that are located above. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll down, and over here in the under the support, you have to go on report a problem. As you click on report a problem, so you have to tell the TikTok staff that I want to get verified. Now it will take some time to open. Now over here you have to write search for I want to get verified. Now if you want to get verified over here you have to write you want to get verified and tell them the screenshot of your Instagram verification, or tell them the link of your Instagram verified account, and then you can get verified. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.